Good morning. Look who I've got with me. These excited boys. You know why they're so excited? Because Mama went to Starbucks. Ollie's got one too. I just can only do so many things with one hand. Ollie boy. Rem, no. Rem, no. Rem. Okay, in the back. Going to the dog park with a friend. There she is! Okay, I'm gonna follow you. It's only a little cold out here. But update, we went to PetSmart and picked up little booties for the dogs to wear while they were in the snow so their little feet wouldn't get cold. Do you know how long it lasted? It didn't. It didn't. Put them on and then immediately the dog just fucking like kicked them off their feet. So at least that's $100 that I'm gonna get back because they were expensive as fuck. Just the friends out in the cold.
Freezing cold.
But they're cooking.
Go this way. It's easier.
I like to go this way.
It's gonna fuck you up, bud. Clap. Nope. Grab this way. Down. Down. Oh, like you know when you're like, oh.
I'm seeing I'm
Just like, oh.
I can't do it.
You can do it, Steven. You can.
No.
You
If you grab it
can.
like this, your hand automatically turns into your hand. I mean,
Whoa!
Wow, my hand!
It's my hand!
pop into our hand. No, go ahead.
That was right.
I know, but go that way, it makes it easier. Okay, fine. Well then. No.
This is crazy.
It says, I bet. I'm gonna go with 25, 30 minutes. Is that what you said? Yeah.
Love.
There you go, babe.
We're at the bar.
Oh, it's a video? Fuck you.
I saw there.
So listen, our friends are fucking retarded. Nick and I, we are both like, hey, we have to use the restroom before we go home from the bar. I go in, Nick goes in, I come back, our friends are fucking dying. And I'm like, what's wrong with them? And they're all, you guys went into the opposite restrooms. You went into the men's restroom and Nick went into the girls' restroom. And I go, no, the sign there is unisex. So like, you go and the sign is literally like a girl and then space and a guy. So you can go in whichever restroom you want. Wrong.
Look at my mouth. This is what Steven looks like with no lips.
Not sure. I'm way